Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Nadife, and in today's video I'm going to try out a Chinese makeup tutorial I found on Shoutout. I'm going to use makeup products from Flower Nose. Flower Nose is a Chinese makeup brand, and I think their products are absolutely beautiful inside and outside, and I just wanted to try out this brand on camera. Also, I've never really used this brand before. Actually, my friend gifted this makeup to me, and I thought, why not make a video out of it and see if the colors look good on my skin. Okay, so at the beginning, she moisturizes her face really well. I'm gonna be honest with you all, I don't have the perfect skincare routine. I'm only using like this moisturizer I actually bought because of a TikTok video I saw, and since then I've been loving it and my skin been loving it too, so I'm using this as a primer and base. After that I'm using concealer to even out imperfections, and I don't recommend the one I am using because it's not good for your skin. It's silicone based and you should look for concealers that are water based. And yeah, I'm going to set everything with this setting spray I got from Milk Makeup. It actually does a really good job, so I highly recommend. And now to the makeup. She starts with doing her eyes first with the lighter eyeshadow, and then she moves on using a darker one. She also uses this darker shade to do her under eye waterline thing. I don't know how it's called, but I never did it before, and I think it's quite okay the way I did it. And now comes the worst part, the lashes. I never do my lashes, and this was such a struggle. I had to turn off the camera because I had to do it in peace. But yeah, this is the way it turned out. It's not perfect, guys, okay? So I added mascara in hope to make it more even, and I think it's okay. Next, she does her eyebrows. Also, I never do my eyebrows. I usually use the eyebrow gel and just brush them up to make them look very natural. She also contoured her face, not in a video, but I saw that something was happening behind the cameras probably. And now to the blush. The lighter blush wasn't working at all, so I had to go with the pinker one, which was more in pigment, I think. And then I also used the highlighter to highlight my nose and also my eye corners. And I used this lip tint and lip balm. The one is from another brand. I'm going to put it in the description because I don't remember the name. Yeah, and this is the finished look, guys. Even though it doesn't look like in the video from the girl, I think it looks pretty. What do you think?